Welcome to everyone. History first lesson, outbreak of World War One and its aftermath, which means end of the World War One, the changes of political, socio and economic in the world. In today's class, we are going to see the topic as the Armistice and Treaty of Versailles. So what is the meaning of Armistice? Which means end of the war. End of the World War I, 11 November 1918, Germany surrendered to the Allies country. Because of the Germany political situation, abdication of the Kaiser William II, so that Germany surrendered to the Allies country. So end of the World War I, they made the peace conference in Paris. On 28 June 1919, the peace treaty was signed in the building of Hall of Mirror, the place of Versailles. End of the World War I, 1918. After 2 months back, the peace conference held in Hall of Mirror. Three significant countries are USA, England and France to make this treaty. Next one, provisions of the treaty. So what are the points that given this treaty? So Germany was found guilty because who started the war? Germany. So that Germany was found guilty to start the war, so that they want to pay the amount. Okay, they should pay the reparation for the losses suffered. They should pay the amount because Germany started the war. And the union of Austria and Germany was forbidden. They cancelled the union of Austria and Germany. Alsace-Lorraine was returned to the France after end of the World War I. With help of this treaty, Alsace-Lorraine, the place was returned to the France, and again the Poland was recreated. Okay, because during the war it was abolished. Then end of the World War I, the Poland was recreated, and the Rhineland was to be occupied by the Allies country. As we discussed already, the Allies countries are Russia, France, Britain, Italy, United States, Belgium, Serbia, Romania and Greece. And the central powers are Germany, Austria-Hungary, Turkey and Bulgaria. Okay, so this Rhineland was to be occupied by the Allies country. So this all important treaty they made the places of Hall of Mirror, Versailles. Okay, so this treaty were made Allies country and central power. And here you want to understand central power countries also should pay the amount to the Allies country because they started the war first. Next one, fallout of the First World War I. Okay, so end of the World War I, 1918. So this fallout of the First World War I. So this First World War I, it was deep impact European society and polity. So during the war, 8 million people are died. Okay, so during this 4-year war, 8 million people are died, and more than double this died people are wounded. Okay, which means 16 million people are wounded and many people are crippled for their life. And during that time, the virus influenza, okay, at present you know well COVID, like during the period of 1918, influenza, it is one of the virus, so many people are died, so that it became the shortage of men. So during the war also many people are died, and this virus influenza, this virus also many people are died, so that many men are shortage. So soldiers are placed above the civilian, so it's called civilian. Normal the people they call as civilian. The soldiers they keep the place of the above the civilian, they given the more respect. And this end of the World War one of the important is Russian Revolution. Okay, because this Russian Revolution, before it was called as Union of Socialist and Soviet Republic, USSR. But after the World War One, it was became the consolidation of Soviet Union. At same time, America entered the war is debtor. Debtor means poor country. Okay. For their expense, they got the amount from the other country, debtor. Okay. So America entered this war, debtor country. But after the war, this America became the money lender to the world. Okay. So before the war, America got the amount from the other country for any emergency. Okay. Got the other country, but end of the World War One, America became the money lender to the world country. That much America became the richest country. And during the war, Mustafa Kemal Pasha, he was the first president of Turkey. Okay. And he is one of the important person struggle freedom of Turkey. Okay. So Mustafa Kemal Pasha, end of the World War One, Turkey became the new nation, independent nation, because of hard work of the Mustafa Kemal Pasha. Next one is impact of India. So this World War One, what is the impact on India? So this first World War One, it is one of the important impact on India, because the British recruited the most military people to serve in Europe, Africa and West Asia. They got the military people from India to serve Europe, Africa and West Asia. So that after the war, our Indian soldiers became new idea, and it is became the impact on the Indian society, because Indian soldiers, they thought to get the freedom in our country. So that our Indian soldiers became impact on the Indian society. So during the first World War, India contributed 230 million given the cash to the Europe, and 125 million pound given the loan, and India sent 250 million material value. Okay, so this much amount they given to the Europe, India side given to the Europe. And another one problem is the virus influenza. So that critical economic situation in our country, because many amount they given to the Europe and the virus also influenza. So India became a critical economic situation in our country. So that many people riot as looted the shop. Okay, because the shortage of the food, many people riot as poor people looted the shop. So end of the World War One, India suffered worldwide epidemic of influenza. Okay, so end of the World War One, the virus of influenza also India was suffered, and India became the economic loss. And India got the idea end of the World War One, Home Rule movement in India. They started the Home Rule movement, which means we should rule ourselves. Our country, we should rule ourselves, because India is a colonial country of the British. So the Congress was reunited during the war. So Congress was reunited during the war. And India and Indians became active part of the war, and they thought Britain give any reward because of India loyalty, because India helped many amount. Okay, given the amount, given the material, our Indian people are worked in the British soldiers, so that India thought Britain give any reward or any freedom to our country. But India got only the disappointment. They didn't get any rewards or any independence. So the end of the World War One, it has multiple effect on our Indian society, economic and polity. Okay, because India participated the British army, but we didn't get any assurance. So that India became the multiple effect on Indian society, economic and polity. Okay. Next, recap. So what we discussed in this lesson. So Germany ultimately surrendered 11 November 1918. Okay, armistice means end of the World War One. They made the Treaty of all of mirror vessels. And this first World War One, it is one of the significant impact on India because India participated the first World War One. And end of the war, the Congress was reunited during the World War One. Okay, so this is all important point in this class. Next, read and learn the following. Your questions are: name the areas which receive heavy rainfall. Next question, state the places of mangrove forest in India. Next question, write any 5 biosphere reserved in India. So these questions are given geography second lesson. So this is your home test. Read well, give the continuous number. After read, write your classwork note and correct yourself. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.